Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add Visa gift card to OnlyFans. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use a Visa gift card on OnlyFans, the best method is to purchase an OnlyFans virtual Visa card from a platform like G2A. This acts as a digital gift card that can be used to top up on your OnlyFans account or for subscriptions. So for this, you will need the 16-digit code from your virtual card to activate it. And once activated, you can use the Visa card number, CVV, and an expiry date on the card to pay for subscriptions and other features on OnlyFans. So by doing this, you can simply add Visa gift card to your OnlyFans account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos.